Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for February. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Goddess Provisions just arrived. This is my February box, and I'm so excited to see what we are going to get. And we're gonna find out right now. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. And again, I tell you guys, the only thing that I would suggest this company to do is put the card on the top of the box so I can go through the items and not have to dump everything out to get to the card at the very bottom of the box. I'm gonna say that probably every video until they do, if they even do. All right, so this month looks like we have this really pretty unicorn princess thing right here. I'm not quite sure, but their illustration is always so beautiful that they put on their cards. So that is this month's, and the monthly mantra is, I trust my intuition to guide me. It's here, the Sacred Self-Care Oracle and Guidebook. They have their new Self-Care Oracle and Guidebook available on their site to purchase if you guys want to check it out. And it does give you a little sneak peek right there of the card set, the deck. So let's go ahead and see. It says Amethyst Aura. So it looks like everything is kind of like amethyst themed, which is amazing because I love me some amethyst. So let's go ahead and just start off with, it says tap into your psychic powers, and there's like a hand and a crystal ball. What is this? Stick tack fabric sticker. Jazz up your jacket, backpack, or laptop case with these mystical designs and declare your divine gifts and psychic powers. These easy to remove and reusable so you can find the perfect place to stick them. All right, this is valued at $6, and you can use coupon code GODDESS to save 25% off at sticktak.io. So they're reusable. You can stick them on anything. And again, we have the hand and the crystal ball, and that's valued at $6. So there's item number one. So item number two looks like a nail polish. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. It's like a purpley blue color. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, it says Mystic Manny, Love by Luna, looks like the brand. And this says an exclusive crystal infused polish that combines the protective and purity qualities of amethyst and obsidian. I'm not sure. OBSIDIAN. Paint your nails with it to invoke deep introspection, clarity, and tranquility. And this is valued at $18. You can use the coupon Luna Goddess to save 20% off at lovebyluna.co. All right, let's see what color this is. I mean, I know what color it looks like on here, but it's not as dark as I was thinking unless it needs a second coat. Hold on. It needed a second coat. So there's the color. It's like a dark purplish blue color, but that is really pretty. That is really pretty. It smells like nail polish. I don't know why I had to smell it, especially with a headache, but I did. So there's that nail polish right there. So item number two. Now we have, it says Goddess Provisions, Band of Weirdos, Amethyst Enamel Pin. Inner peace, recovery, and balance. That is so pretty. So there's a pin, and it does have the two little clasps on the back. And this guy right here says, Band of Weirdos, Amethyst Pin. Amethyst energy attracts the third eye and crown chakras for higher awareness and connection to the universe. Wear this glitter speckled enamel pin as a reminder that just like crystals, you are made of stardust. How cute. And this is valued at $10. You can use coupon GODDESS20 to save 20% off at bandofweirdos.com. That is really pretty. I really like that pin. So we have that item. Now we have it says dry bag. What in the world is this? Fill the bag up to 3/4 of the way full. Remove excess air from bag. To close, fold the top down 3 times and then secure with the buckle. Hold the bag horizontally when opening to keep moisture from leaking in. Care instructions: clean your dry bag after use and allow it to dry completely. So, I mean, it is a really pretty bag. I'm just confused on how this whole thing works. All right, so there's this bag and it's like round at the end. It's very pretty. Like the artwork on here with the flowers and the crystals, the artwork on here is completely stunning. I mean, that is just beautiful. So I guess you stick stuff in there, you close it, you wrap this 3 times, and then you buckle it to keep it, like the air won't even come out. That's crazy. So it is definitely a dry bag, like nothing's gonna get wet in here. That is crazy. I don't know what you would use this for unless I just keep all my crystals in here just because it's a beautiful bag. It is a beautiful bag. I could just drop all my crystals in here that I'm collecting. I don't know, but that is very pretty. That is just really pretty. So this right here says $22. Whether venturing on the beach, river, lake, or pool, or under misty skies, relax knowing that your handheld valuables are protected against water in this adorable 2L dry bag. $22. And then it does have a little thing here that you can attach to like your bag, your belt loop, whichever you would like. That is really neat. I mean, I think that is just beautiful. And all right, so we have a dry bag. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is just so pretty. It would even look cute, like even if you just put it around a vase and then put a ribbon around the top so you don't see the top part because it's round. So even if like you had like a vase that was kind of ugly, you can stick the vase in here and then just put like a really pretty purple ribbon around it. I don't know. That's just me throwing an idea out there, but I think that's so pretty. All right, enough about the bag because there's still more items in here. I'm just tripping over this bag here. All right, so in here it says Amethyst Charged Butterfly Lavender Bath Soak. Pour in bath and relax. And I don't take baths, so I'll save this and put it into a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy that. But this right here says Wild Yonder Botanicals Bath Soak. This bath blend is made with amethyst charged salt, Epsom salt, butterfly lavender essential oil, amber resin, and organic jojoba. Add a warm bath to soothe your spirit and purify your mind. Coupon Wild Yonder 20 saves 20% off at wildyonderbotanicals.com, and this is valued at $5. So it's pretty much, the whole thing is pretty much full, like this whole thing, because I can see with my lights. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy that and soak it up in the bath. And then there's still 2 more items, you guys. So this right here is the crystal for the month. Let me remove the plastic. Ooh, there's something on the bottom. Okay, so this says Inner Gaze Amethyst Pyramid. Meditate with this crystal on your third eye to purify the aura and promote mental clarity, tranquility, intuition, and connection to the divine. This is valued at $11. Sorry, I just keep venturing off yonder. And then on the bottom of it, that's what it looks like. So it's for your third eye. And yeah, so this is again valued at $11. And I think that is so pretty. And it's an amethyst. So that's really cool. I like that. And then the last item in here is right here. I do like the moon phase. And ooh, and that's what's really on here too. But I just have to say, by looking at this, there's no way in hell this is fitting on my chunky dunky wrist. Let me just tell you, there's no way. I don't know. It's like I kind of want to keep it just because of what's on it, but I know it's never going to fit me. I mean, look at this thing. It has the moon phase on it, and it's like the middle full moon is a amethyst right in the middle. That is gorgeous. That is so super pretty. And this says Haiuchi, not like hoochie, like not hoochie, like hoochie coochie. Haiuchi, H-I-O-U-C-H-I, Jewels Moon Phase Cuff Bracelet. This is valued at $68. Holy moly. Connect with the intuitive wisdom of Amethyst and La Luna. Wear this bracelet with an amethyst gem as the full moon to enhance receptivity, patience, and trust in divine timing. It's valued at $68. Coupon Goddess will save you 30% off at HIOUCHIjewels.com. The best care for this silver-plated brass bracelet: do not overbend. Adjust it to fit and then simply rotate around your wrist to put on or take off. Remove it before working out, entering water. Do not use perfume, hair products, cosmetics directly on it, and clean with a soft cloth. Well, I don't know whose wrist is as wide as my finger because that is basically as wide as my finger. There's no way. There's no way in hell. There's no way in hell this would even fit on my wrist, you guys. And it says try not to overbend. Can I bend it wide enough to fit my wrist, do you think? Let's try it. They're still not gonna fit. Let's see. Maybe now, can I oh, it's still too tight, you guys. That's a bummer. It's just way too tight for my wrist. I got it on, but it's just, that's not wearable. Like, it's way too small for me. And it sucks because it has the moon phase, and let me bend it back a hair. And it has the amethyst, and it's so pretty. It just doesn't, it's just not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Let me put it back in here because it's just not gonna happen. And that's so sad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna try to keep it and repurpose it for something other than a bracelet. If not, then you'll see it in a future giveaway because it's definitely not gonna fit me as a bracelet. But I like what's on it, and I like that there's the amethyst, but you know. So there's that. Again, this is valued at $68. They also have an All About Amethyst Uses and Rituals. It's a digital download, which is valued at $6. That gives me the code and stuff so I can go ahead and download that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. I will go ahead and add up the total and put it right about here. So we got this $68 bracelet. I'm just really bummed out that it doesn't fit, but you know, I guess I just have a big wrist. We have this pyramid that has a little eye on the bottom, which is super cute. We have this dry bag, which is, I think this is just so pretty with all the different stuff on there. That's just really pretty. We have the amethyst charged butterfly lavender bath crystals. We have the amethyst pin. We have the amethyst infused. Yeah, damn floozy. The amethyst, oh my gosh. The amethyst infused nail polish. And then we have these fabric stickers right here. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I'm really liking this bag. I don't know what in the world I'm gonna do with it. This is gonna go in a future giveaway. This I'm gonna keep, even though I really don't do much with my nails. I just really like that there's amethyst in it and I like the color. And then I really do like this pin, and I really like this right here. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, they send you 5 to 7 full-size products in every box. You get a great value, typically between $80 to $100 of goodies, free shipping to the United States. It ships worldwide. Canadian is $15 shipping and international is $25. And this is $33 a month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you do a prepaid 12-month subscription. And they're always vegan and cruelty free. And you can pause and cancel at any time. Again, you get a mix of 5 to 7 full-size products, including crystals, aromatherapy, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, and again, everything is always vegan and cruelty free. So comment down below, let me know what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew out.